Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a fake camera movement that will follow you in a video on the CapCut mobile. So first, you can just add your video. Here I've already add a video with a static camera as you see, but I'm going to create a fake camera movement by using this one feature on CapCut. So click on your video and swipe through the category, swipe through the menu, and select the camera tracking. Here you can choose between the AI movement or the camera tracking. So I'm going to just use the camera tracking, and here I'm going to track the face part of the person. Now, so you can just click on track, and CapCut will do its magic by tracking the subject that you used before. In this case, I'm using face. So just wait until it's done. Okay, so now it's done, and let's see the result first. You can play the video, and you guys can see here. Now the video will move following the face that I selected before. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye!